All right, so we have Cameron and Cale. Cameron, Cale, we've been working together for coming up to a month now. What would you say your experience has been working with us, man?
Yeah, Cale's been handling a lot more of the leads and the calling and setting. I have been doing it as well, but I'll let him jump in and I'll kind of wrap it up.
Yeah, cool. I appreciate that. Honestly, man, every lead gen that I've kind of come into, there's always like a ramp up period, and it could take a week or it could take 10 days. I've had a company say, "Oh, just wait till wait 60 days, and there's nothing happens. Give us a call." And what was cool with you, man, was day one, you said, "Hey, bro, if leads don't come day one, the campaign's not working." And so, but day one, leads came. It's been a fountain ever since. And man, some days it seems like I can't keep up with the leads, which is weird to think about with some of the markets that we're advertising in. The fact that I'm investing almost half with you that I've invested in other markets and getting twice the amount of results in terms of leads is pretty cool as well. Like whatever you're doing, you've got something figured out. That's definitely getting more people to opt into that lead form. And I would also just a little tip to your people who are making those phone calls. Just because somebody opts in on a lead form that Yvonne puts out there for you does not mean that they're necessarily going to be ready to go to buy solar right away, right? Still have your sales cap on, still be ready to do some work and pitch them and get them excited and stuff like that, right? But the results, man, has just been amazing. It's been great working with you. The communication's been amazing. So whenever there's something that we have a question on, we hear back from you and your team right away. Having you guys available on Slack has been amazing as well. So it just feels good to know that we can be taken cared for, right? So that's what we look for in a provider, and definitely excited to be partnering up with you, man.
Awesome. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, Yvonne, you and your team, it's like night and day compared to my other. I've invested and lost in some situations more than 6 figures into marketing for solar. I've had plenty where I've thrown 6, 10, 12 grand, 8 grand for appointments or leads and literally got nothing. With you, it wasn't even a third of those investments, and I got twice as much. And I've already, we're putting in just personally 4, 5, 6 deals a week, and then multiple other people doing the same things all over the country. So yeah, the communication, the results from day one, none of this BS ramp up. Oh, we got to get it working. If it's going to work, it's going to work. And we get leads right away. We open up a new market, or we say, hey, let's switch this ad spin to this market. Let's do that. It's literally done in one day or less, a couple hours the next morning. And there's already leads coming in. But like literally within hours. I've waited weeks to get something going. So if you're thinking about working with Yvonne, it's the biggest no-brainer in human history. But like whatever he asks you to pay him, and then expand and grow your company nationwide.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Yeah. Actually, it's funny how we met, right? You commented on one of my ads. Do you remember that?
Yeah. No, yeah. I commented something like, what about Vegas though? Because nobody can get leads in Vegas for under like $80 a lead. Nobody I've ever worked with. And then you said something back to me and I was like, yeah, I'll jump on a call, whatever. I'm not looking for anything. I've got plenty of leads. And then, I don't know, it just felt right. You were like telling me $15, $20 a lead. And I was like, no way. Too good to be true. I want to try it. So, and it was worth it because it's not $15, $20 a lead in any of our markets, anywhere we're investing. So you got something magical. So yeah, we're running with you.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it very much.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.